area that exited late last night, and now what we're keeping an eye on, just some spotty light snow showers across southern Wisconsin. But this is what I'm a little bit more concerned about. And now I know it's not a broad area, but it is some patchy freezing drizzle and freezing rain that most likely will just scoot across the far northern suburbs, maybe even make its way into places like Arlington Heights or Glenview over the next couple of hours. 30 degrees right now out at O'Hare. Well, you should be okay on a Tuesday that feels like a Monday for a lot of you. We do have overnight road work. We'll start to the south this time around. 2 lanes closed inbound on I-57 from 107th to the Ryan. Same thing on the Bishop Ford. On the inbound side from King Drive to the Ryan Merge, they have 2 lanes.
And also developing this morning, police are on the hunt for a gunman involved in a deadly conviction this morning. So
I know. We all feel for Judy.
Okay, what's going on out there?
All right. Well, at least the roads are in good shape. Even I was a little concerned because of the weather, but they're just damp.
Yeah.
So we don't have any icing complaints yet.
Yeah, yet. I know, yet being the big word, because we're still waiting for just this little cluster of some precipitation to move through, especially the northern half of the area. So don't talk.
Yes.
Don't talk.
Just watching.
Good morning. Well, let's take a look at what we have ahead for us, and I do think that cloud cover on the models that we look at. And through tomorrow morning, that particular model putting out about 1/2 inch of snow. Now, there's a separate model that is also highlighting the potential for some snow through tomorrow. Generally, what we're looking at is most of us coming in with anywhere from about 1/2 to 1.5 inches. I think most of what is going to fall is going to be tomorrow versus today. Here's our future radar, and you can see how we do have a fair amount of cloud cover with us here through the day today. Maybe some scattered flurries around the area this evening, but it's really overnight tonight and more likely during the daylight hours tomorrow when we will have these periods of light snow joining us. As we take a look at the current conditions around the area, right now, skies are mainly cloudy. You see the light snow across southern Wisconsin. Now moving through the Freeport area is some spotty freezing drizzle. Perhaps a few spots of this out across DeKalb County, too. So it's just something to bear in mind as you make your way around this morning. Average high today, 31. Probably about 37 will be our high temperature this afternoon. It's 30 at O'Hare. Wind is out of the southeast at 7. So that is giving us an AccuWeather real feel of 23. Right now, 29 in Hampshire, 32 degrees currently in Bradley. Nationwide, not a whole lot going on precipitation-wise. Here's this first little system that's bringing us this little patch of some freezing drizzle, some light snow north of it. And then this is the next front that's going to be coming our way here tomorrow. And that low is also going to bring us the potential for some periods of light snow through the day tomorrow. This afternoon will be partly to mostly cloudy. Our sun setting closer to 5 p.m. these days. As for tomorrow, occasional light snow, high temperatures tomorrow.
Oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. BP still faces another claim.
Eye on some spotty freezing drizzle now out around the Freeport area, and you get out to Lee and Oka counties, and it's back that way, so still west of 39. But this is moving eastward, and there are some concerns, especially across some of the northern suburbs. We could see some of that spotty freezing drizzle making its way in. Any untreated surfaces, that could become problematic then. 30 degrees right now out at O'Hare. This morning, we're seeing some fog again. 9 o'clock this morning, I think there will be some sun over.
Butler, hey, Trace.
And hello to all. And this morning, we start with a look at the radar. And this is what we're keeping an eye out on now. Last night, we did have some flurries, some light snow in the area. That first batch has moved out. But around Racine, down toward Kenosha, and then as you can see, mainly across far northern Walworth County, there's some light snow there. But this is spotty rain and freezing drizzle that is moving eastward. So if you're in DeKalb, if you're in Marengo, it's very likely that you could see some of that occurring this morning. Skies are mainly cloudy here. You get far southwest of the city, and there's actually some clearing. So that's why I think we'll probably see a bit of sun around the area this morning, and then cloud up during the afternoon. 32 degrees right now out at O'Hare. By noontime, mid-30s, and I think we'll top out around 37, 38 degrees here today.
¿Cómo está el equipo? ¿Cómo está el equipo? Ahí bien, ahí bien.